FCC means face-centered cubic arrangement, where atoms remain at the corner and at the center of every face of a cube, face of a unit cell, there remains an atom. Therefore, the name face-centered cubic arrangement. In face-centered cubic arrangement, let you take any face. The atom along diagonal of that face, along that diagonal of the square, those will touch each other. That will help us to determine packing efficiency, atomic packing factor, density of crystal within FCC lattice. While determining packing density of various crystal lattices, we need to consider 6 points. First point, structure of unit cell we need to clearly understand. So that, second point, number of atoms per unit cell, that's a small n, we can find properly. Also, third point, volume of atoms per unit cell, that we can find out from number of atoms, because we know atom is spherical. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is a volume of one sphere, but it is a volume of one atom. What about n number of atoms? That will be our small v. Capital V is our volume of unit cell. That's our fourth point. Our unit cell is in cubic form and cell dimension, unit cell parameter is small a. So A cube is a volume of unit cell, capital V. And fifth point is we need to find relationship between A and R. For that, wisely we need to understand the structure of lattice, structure of unit cell, which atoms do touch each other, and that touching line we have to represent in terms of cell parameter. That will help us to find relationship between A and R. And last, sixth point is determination of packing density. Substituting the respective terms in the formula and simplifying it, we will get answer for packing density. This packing density into 100 will be our percentage packing density. If structure of FCC is to describe, then you will find at corner of a cube atoms are there. In addition to them, at center of each face atoms are there. In this diagram, by blue color, corner atoms are represented, and by yellowish color, atoms at center of face are represented. Observe neatly which atoms are touching each other. Are blue atoms touching to each other? No. One blue atom touches yellow atom, which touches other blue atom. So along face diagonal, the atoms are touching to each other. Let us have this understanding from this diagram. In other way, how can we represent FCC structure? Pay attention. See here, same structure is represented. Atom at corner of a face touches atom at center of a face, which touches atom at other corner of a face. So along face diagonal, atoms are touching to each other. As a one representative face is there, same is the case for all other faces for cube. Total 6 faces are there for a cube. Means in general way, point-wise if I have to represent, instead of representing a large atoms, a small representative atoms, then the structure will be represented as right side diagram. At corner atoms are there and at center atoms are there. Don't misunderstand that atoms in true sense are so small. It is for the sake of just understanding. If I am not wrong, atoms are at corners and atoms are at center of each face. What is the share of the atom which is at corner to the unit cell? Only 1/8 portion. See here, only 1/8 portion of atom is there in the unit cell. And what about the atom at the center of face? It can be shared for two cubes, two unit cell. So for one unit cell, half will be the contribution. Let us calculate total number of atoms present in this unit cell. Atom at corner has share 1 upon 8. Such 8 atoms are there. So their share 1 upon 8 into 8 is equal to 1. Other point. Atom at center of face has share 1 half. Such how many faces are there? 6. Atoms which are center of face are how many? 6. And each atom has contribution half. Half into 6 is equal to 3. So total number of atoms present in abscess is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So value of small n is 4. If number of atoms are 4, then how much volume will be occupied by them? Atoms are spherical in nature. What is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is r? R is the radius of the atom. It is for one atom. Such how many atoms are there in our abscess unit cell? 4. So total volume occupied by atoms will be equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. If I simplify, it will be 16 by 3 pi r cube. It is represented by term small v. Now let us find total volume available for occupation. What is the type of unit cell? Cubic. What is the volume of cube? A cube, where A is a side of a cube. So we are considering volume of a unit cell is equal to A cube, where A is a cell parameter, is side of a cube. For more clarity, only atoms at one face of a cube are represented here. They are labeled as A, B, C, D. Which atoms are touching to each other? Along face diagonal, 3 atoms are touching each other. Which are those? A, central atom, and C. You can easily understand ABC is a right angle triangle. And what is AB or BC or CD or AD? It is cell parameter. It is a unit cell parameter. It is a side of a cube, and we represent it by small a. By Pythagoras theorem, you will understand square of hypotenuse of right angle triangle means AC square is equal to summation of squares of other sides which make right angle triangle, means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB? A. What is BC? A. So let me substitute those values. AC square is equal to A square plus A square. Let me simplify further. AC square is equal to 2A square. So AC is equal to how much? Square root of AC square. So AC is equal to square root of right side. What is right side? 2A square. So its square root will be root 2A. Pay attention here. 2 and A square in multiplication. While taking square root, we take square root of each term. So square root of 2 and square root of A square. Square root of A square is A. Therefore, I am saying AC is equal to root 2A. This is in terms of A. Now I want to express it in terms of R. Therefore, I was considering the atoms which are touching to each other. Now in this diagram, clearly it is represented. Radius of A plus double radius of central atom, face central atom, means diameter of face central atom, plus radius of C. Total how many radii I am considering? 4. So 4R is equal to AC. And other expression for AC was root 2A. Just correlate them. Root 2A is equal to 4R. Remember this. For FCC, root 2A is equal to 4R. Means A is equal to 4 upon root 2 R. Or further, if I simplify, because 4 means what? 2 into 2. 2 means what? Root 2 into root 2. So it will be 2 root 2 R. See whether you are understanding it or not. What is the formula of packing density? Packing density is equal to volume occupied by atoms, means small v, divided by volume available for occupation, that is capital V. That small v is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, means 16 by 3 pi r cube, and capital V is equal to a cube. Now substitute value of a is equal to 4 upon root 2 r. Purposely I kept 4 upon root 2 in bracket. Bracket raised to 3 means whichever terms are there in bracket, individually their cube will be there. Means 4 cube 64. So 64 I had represented in denominator in third stage. R cube is represented. Root 2 cube means root 2 into root 2 into root 2 means 2 root 2. It is in numerator. And 4 by 3 is there in numerator in second stage. So that 3 came in denominator in the third stage. Remaining things you will understand. Now just simplify that. What you will find? 4 into 4 into 2, it is 32, and below is 64. So 32 into 2, 64. So now final answer will be root 2 pi divided by 6. Substitute value of pi 3.14 and find the answer. You will get fraction of the space occupied by atoms in FCC crystal is 0.74, means how much fraction still is not occupied. It is 0.26. It is the closest packing possible in case of cubic arrangement. In terms of percentage, if I have to represent, 74% space is occupied by the atoms, means 26% still is left. As a homework, you are with two questions. You have to find total number of atoms present in FCC arrangement. Just write the answer, number 1 and that number of atoms. Second question is, write the relationship between A and R for FCC arrangement. That formula you need to write. That will help you to solve problems on this FCC crystal lattices. Now so far, three types of cubic crystals we have studied. Simple cubic, body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic. Packing density we determine. Now let us understand the relationship between density, cell parameter and radius of the atom. For that little basic is necessary. That we will see in next part.